The TVS Apache RR310. A statement of power, a masterpiece of engineering, designed for those who crave speed, precision, and performance. Every detail, every curve, every component crafted to perfection. The ultimate machine that blurs the line between man and machine. The Apache RR310 is not just a motorcycle. It is an experience. It is an extension of the rider. It is a symbol of dominance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Apache RR310 demands attention. The aerodynamic design, inspired by race machines, cuts through the air with precision. The aggressive front fascia, the sleek fairing, and the sculpted fuel tank create an imposing stance. The signature twin LED headlamps illuminate the road ahead with unmatched clarity. The dynamic taillight design ensures that the Apache RR310 is recognized even from a distance. Every line, every edge, designed with purpose. Designed for speed. Designed to conquer. Powering the Apache RR310 is a liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 312.2 cc engine. A powerhouse that delivers thrilling performance on every ride. With 34 PS of power and 27.3 Nm of torque, this engine is built to dominate the streets and the track. The race-tuned slipper clutch ensures seamless downshifts, allowing you to push harder, corner faster, and ride with confidence. The electronic fuel injection system provides precise throttle response, delivering power exactly when you need it. Every twist of the throttle unleashes raw adrenaline. Every gearshift propels you forward with relentless force. The Apache RR310 is not just about speed. It is about control. The lightweight trellis frame offers exceptional rigidity, ensuring unmatched stability at high speeds. The race-tuned KYB suspension soaks up every bump, delivering a smooth yet connected ride. The aerodynamic windscreen reduces drag, allowing you to slice through the air effortlessly. The Michelin Road 5 tires provide superior grip, ensuring you stay planted on every corner, every turn, every road. Braking is precise and powerful, with a dual-channel ABS system offering confidence-inspiring stopping power. Technology meets performance in the Apache RR310. The fully digital TFT instrument cluster displays all the information you need at a glance. Speed, RPM, gear position, ride modes, and even lap times, everything is at your fingertips. The glide-through technology (GTT) ensures seamless low-speed riding, making city traffic effortless. With 4 ride modes, urban, rain, sport, and track, you have complete control over your machine. Each mode alters the power delivery, ABS intervention, and throttle response, adapting to your riding needs. Whether it's the open highway, the city streets, or the racetrack, the Apache RR310 is ready. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, the Apache RR310 features race-inspired winglets that enhance downforce. The aggressive riding posture keeps you engaged, connected, in tune with every movement of the bike. The sculpted seat offers supreme comfort, allowing you to ride longer, push harder, and explore further. Every aspect of the Apache RR310 is engineered to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. Born on the racetrack, the Apache RR310 carries the racing DNA of TVS Motor Company. Decades of racing experience distilled into a machine that redefines performance. The Apache Racing Experience ensures that every rider gets a taste of professional racing. The RR Cup, a dedicated racing championship, pushes riders to their limits, showcasing the true potential of the Apache RR310. Every component, every feature, designed to make you feel like a racer. Feel the adrenaline rush as you twist the throttle. Hear the roar of the engine as it echoes through the streets. Experience the seamless power delivery, the razor-sharp handling, the confidence-inspiring braking. The Apache RR310 is more than just a motorcycle. It is a passion. It is a way of life. It is an extension of your spirit, your drive, your hunger for speed. The LED lighting system ensures visibility in all conditions. The aggressive headlamps pierce through the darkness, while the taillight creates a distinctive signature. The bi-LED projector headlights offer excellent illumination, enhancing safety during night rides. The turn indicators, sleek and sharp, add to the overall aesthetics of the machine. Every element, every component, designed to make a statement. The Apache RR310 is built to dominate, designed to stand out. Whether parked in a luxurious showroom or carving through the twisties, it exudes confidence. The premium paint finish, the high-quality materials, the impeccable fit and finish, every detail screams craftsmanship. The carbon fiber texture, the dynamic graphics, the iconic Apache insignia, everything adds to the exclusivity of the machine. Owning an Apache RR 310 is more than just having a motorcycle. It is about being part of a legacy built on speed, precision, and racing pedigree. A legacy that continues to push boundaries, set new standards, and redefine performance. The Apache RR 310 is not just built to ride. It is built to lead. As you grip the handlebars, as you feel the pulse of the engine beneath you, as you lean into the corners with confidence, you realize one thing. The Apache RR 310 is not just a motorcycle. It is an emotion. It is a thrill. It is an obsession. Every ride is an experience. Every ride is a story. Every ride is a journey into the world of speed, precision, and passion. Whether you are cruising through the city, attacking corners on mountain roads, or pushing limits on the track, the Apache RR 310 delivers an unmatched experience. The Apache RR 310. A machine that ignites your senses. A machine that fuels your passion. A machine that redefines what it means to ride. Experience power. Experience precision. Experience perfection. This is more than just a motorcycle. This is the ultimate riding machine. TVS Apache RR 310. Unleash the racer within.